Hey there, it's Claire. Welcome to our channel where we transform complicated cooking into easy and fun experiences. Today, I have a treat for you, a dish that is not only quick and easy to make, but also incredibly delicious. Garlic crispy pork chops. Let's enjoy the making process. Did you like our show today? Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share our program with your friends. Don't worry if you can't find some ingredients. You can always replace specific vegetables or spices, like Chinese 13 spice powder or Cajun spice, with similar items you have. Keep your eyes on this channel, as we'll keep bringing you more exciting content. Bye for now.